In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive Davinci Resolve project files and databases. This process is essential for managing your projects efficiently and ensuring that all your hard work is safely stored for future use. So, let's get started and walk through this step by step. First, open Davinci Resolve. If you don't have it installed yet, you'll need to visit the Blackmagic Design website to download and install it. Once you're in Davinci Resolve, you'll be greeted with a list of your current projects. Select the project you want to archive by simply clicking on it. This step is straightforward but crucial as it sets the stage for the entire process. Now let's head over to the edit page. You can find this option along the bottom of the screen. The edit page is where you typically do most of your editing work. However, for today's task, it's just a stopping point on the way to archiving your project. Next up, we're going to navigate to the project manager. You can access the project manager by clicking on the icon in the top left corner of your screen. This section displays all your projects and allows you to manage them with ease. It's an invaluable tool for staying organized, especially if you have numerous ongoing projects. Once you're in the project manager, locate the project you want to archive. Right click on the project, which will bring up a menu of options. From this menu, you're going to select Export Project Archive. This is the key step in preserving your project. When you archive a project, Davinci Resolve collects and saves all the related files, including media, timelines, and settings, into one folder. This makes it much easier to back up or transfer your projects in the future. When you click Export Project Archive, you'll be prompted to choose a destination for your archive. Here you can rename the archive if you wish, and select a specific folder on your storage device where you'd like the archive to be saved. It's a good habit to choose a location that's easily accessible, yet secure to prevent any loss of data. And that's it, you've successfully archived your Davinci Resolve project. This process is simple but incredibly effective for maintaining an organized workflow. Remember, archiving your projects regularly not only safeguards your work, but also helps free up space on your system, which can improve performance. If you ever need to revisit a project in the future, just import the archived file back into Davinci Resolve and you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy editing.